Hi friends, we are back with another new video. Today I am going to share how to make cucumber salad. In this summer, cucumber will be more good side dish for your meal. Cucumber has a lot of water and it will help you to keep your body hydrated, and also it will help your immunity system. It brings lot of benefits for your body. So try this recipe. This is a very easy recipe. You can make this salad within 5 minutes and with less ingredients. First of all, before starting this recipe, you have to wash the cucumbers and peel it off. Once it's done, we need to cut cucumbers into thin slices. Try this recipe and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. This salad is a good side dish, especially with rice. And also you can take this with paratha and anything you like. Once the slicing is done, transfer all the cucumbers into a bowl, and then I am using 2 green chilies here. Thinly slice the green chilies. According to your taste, you can add more green chilies, but I am using 2 green chilies here. It will give a good taste for the salad. Here I am using 2 cucumbers, 2 green chilies, and you can get the exact measurements in description box. And medium size 1 onion. I have thinly sliced the onion, and salt as per the taste. Half lime. Half spoon black pepper powder and coconut milk. Once everything is done, you have to give it a good mix. After the mix, you have to serve this. I think this is a good recipe and this is helpful for you. So please give it a try. And do not forget to tell how it turned out, and like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also have a nice week and a safe week. Until the next video, bye.